Hi, so to log into iReady, you want to go out to open up a web browser and go to clever.com. And then once you get there, you'll see that login as a student. And then search for your school name. Sorry, you can hear my children screaming in the background. Winterset. And then you'll click on this log in with Active Directory. And when you come over here, you actually want to put in your child's student ID. D'Angelo's is 2047246, and then you have to put in the email extension at columbus.k12.oh.us. Oh, columbus.k12.oh.us. And then the password is their birth date, 2-digit month, 2-digit day, dash in between, and then 4-digit year, and click sign in. And it will open, and then you just click on the iReady, and there it is. So if you have any questions, feel free to send me an email or Miss Kennedy. She was really helpful in getting us here. Thanks so much.